The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to talk about involuntary commitment to a mental health facility in Illinois. So this is the situation in which someone can be admitted against their will to mental health treatment. So let's talk about the two ways that this can be done. One is admission by a court order. The other is emergency admission. Any person over the age of 18 can file a petition for immediate hospitalization of a person with a mental illness. The petition has to describe the mental illness and the specific actions the respondent has taken to indicate the risk of immediate harm if he or she is not admitted to a mental health facility. The petition should be filed in the circuit court in the county in which the person with the mental illness resides. If the judge approves the petition after a hearing, local authorities will be notified to escort the respondent to a mental health facility for treatment. The second way to admit someone is emergency admission, and in this case, no court order is necessary before the admission. This is basically when there's an imminent threat of immediate harm to the person or to somebody else if they're not admitted, and then once they're admitted, the authorities that took them to the facility or the facility staff or a loved one can file a petition to keep them there longer. If no petition is filed, then they're released pretty quickly after they're admitted once the immediate risk of harm is passed. So let's talk about when someone can be admitted to a mental health facility against their will. There's basically three situations in which this is permitted. One is if, because of the illness, the person can be reasonably expected to engage in conduct placing himself or herself or others in danger of physical harm. The second situation is because of the illness, the person is unable to provide for his or her basic physical needs in order to prevent physical harm from happening to him or her. So they're not able to care for themselves enough to prevent physical harm due to their mental illness. The third situation is when, because of their mental illness, they're not able to understand the need for treatment. So they're not following their treatment path, and they may not be a danger, but because they are not taking their medication or following their treatment path, their mental illness is causing them to not be able to understand that they need treatment, so they can be involuntarily committed in that situation. If someone has a power of attorney over that person, they may be able to forego these steps. So a power of attorney is something that is signed while someone is mentally competent, giving another person, usually a loved one, the authority to make healthcare decisions on their behalf. The power of attorney has to explicitly provide that that person has the authority to authorize mental health treatment, and if it does, then you don't have to go to court and get a petition. The agent that is named in the power of attorney will have the authority to involuntarily commit that person against their will. So that's kind of a third way to do it. It's a petition by court order, emergency admission, or admission through a power of attorney. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. If you found this helpful, we'd love it if you subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.